Hi guys, it's Shayla here and welcome back to Cliphair's YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you a super easy tutorial for this braided half up, half down look. The extensions I'll be using today are the Quad Weft clip hair extensions. It is this one right here. So I'll actually be using 2 sets of these because I'm wanting this look to be really full and have a lot of volume. So we just recently uploaded a video where I had a chat to you and answered a few questions and described this product. So I will link that in the description for you if you would like to know more about the Cliphair's Quad Weft extensions. Please note this style does not have to be worn with both Quad Weft extensions, but I just like my look to be a lot more full as of course I don't have that much hair. Please note these are sold separately, so if you're wanting to use this style or try any style with 2 Quad Weft extensions, you will have to buy the sets separately. The shade of extensions I am using today is the P18/613. This is my shade that I use for all of my clip hair extensions and they match beautifully. I hope you enjoy this video and let's just get straight into the tutorial for you guys today. I'm going to start off by parting a section right about where my ear is. Once I've parted the section and clipped up the top half, I'm just going to grab a comb and slightly tease the area just to give my extensions something to clip and hold on to. Then I'm just going to grab the Quad Weft extension and start clipping them in. Now I'm going to part the next section and it's just going to be slightly above my ear, and I'm going to repeat the same steps I did when I clipped in the first Quad Weft. Now that I've clipped in both sets of extensions, I'm just going to part my hair at the front of my face and split that into 2 sections. I'm going to pin the back section back out of my way, and then in the front section I'm just going to start a Dutch braid. While I'm here, I'm just going to pancake the braid to give an illusion that it is thicker and fuller than it actually is. Once I get to the end, I'm just going to tie it off with an elastic. Now, grabbing the other section that I clipped back earlier, I'm going to do the exact same thing, split it into 3 and start a Dutch braid. Tie it off with an elastic, and once I've done those 2, I'm just going to grab my same comb and slightly tease at the back of my hair to give it some volume. Now I'm just going to grab the top half of my hair and tie it off with an elastic, bringing the 2 braids into the band as well. I'm using the braids and making sure all hair covers any clips that might be seen from the extensions. I'm going to use my heat protectant spray from Cliphair just to protect my hair and extensions from the heat I am about to use. I'm just going to grab my curling wand and start curling my hair. This step is optional. You can wear your hair straight, curly, natural, however you want it.
And to finish this look off, I'm just going to grab one of the scarves I own and I'm going to use that and wrap it around the hair tie. This way it gives it a nice final touch and it also hides any elastics or extensions that may be seen.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is just one of the simple styles that you can do using the two Quad Weft extensions. They're a lot of fun, and as you can see, have added a lot of volume to my hair. Give us a comment in the comment section below if you have any tutorial requests or any questions about this style. Don't forget to hit subscribe to Cliphair's YouTube channel for more tutorials like this one and more information about all of our products. Thanks, guys. Bye!